We're continuing our coverage here from ITSEC 2011 in Orlando. We've stopped by to talk with Tobe here at the Moog booth. And if you could just tell us a little bit about what you're showing off at the show this year.
Okay. At Moog, we make products that give people the sensation, motion cues specifically, of what it feels like to fly an airplane or drive a ground vehicle. Okay. And we've got a couple different ways to do that. What you see in the background is a G-seat that would give a pilot the motion cues of what it feels like to fly a fighter jet or perhaps a helicopter. We've also got control loading products that would give the pilot the sensation of what it feels like to pull on a yoke or push on a foot pedal in an airplane. And we also have motion systems that would give pilots the feel of air turbulence or different motion cues when they're flying an airplane or perhaps even driving a ground vehicle.
Sure. No, that makes sense.
And I think we can go over to our partners at FAC and take a look at one of those systems right now.
That sounds really good. Let's head that direction. Hey, Kurt, we just was talking to Tobe over at the Moog booth and said that you use some of their products as well. Can you tell me about the motion systems that you use at FAC?
Certainly. We use Moog both in terms of their 6-off full motion systems, which is here behind us, as well as a 3-degree of freedom seat motion system, which offers a little bit lower footprint response to still provide the cueing necessary to make our driving simulators a believable experience.
Sure.
Because that's really the key, is to immerse an operator so they believe they're operating an actual vehicle.
Sure.
So they can actually learn the habits that could transfer to driving the actual vehicles, and they're trained efficiently in a very safe environment that's still able to replicate real-world conditions. In the full 6-degree freedom system, you can really convey the extreme operating conditions that today's military vehicles are expected to go through, and actually give a little bit more of a sensation of the operating near the edge of the envelope, and let that crew understand the safe procedures that they need to follow.
Oh, that's excellent. Well, folks, just another example of companies working together. An example here at ITSEC 2011, live from the exhibition floor.